Today I'm going to show you how to use the Magic Eraser tool. Open the app and then choose Photo to select an image, or choose Camera to take a new photo. For this example, I'm choosing an image from my photo gallery. Simply select the image that you want to edit. Crop the image and then click Done, top right of the screen. Next, you'll select the Magic Wand tool. It's located in the bottom left of the screen. Once selected, click the background areas that you wish to remove. Use the Erase tool for smaller areas where the magic wand does not work quite as well. This is the Erase tool, and you are able to adjust the size of the eraser, whether you need it larger or smaller. There's a sliding scale at the bottom of the screen. Pan and zoom for more detailed areas. The box located near the bottom left of the screen changes the background of your workspace to accommodate visibility. When finished, click the Export box in the top right corner. For a PNG file with a transparent background, select the image on the right. Next, select High Resolution or Low Resolution. In my experience, Low Resolution works for most projects. Exit the Magic Eraser app and open your photo gallery. The new PNG file, the edited image with no background, is automatically stored in your photo gallery.